Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to find any streaming application on your Android TV, TV box or Google TV and install it to your device without any problem. So this is going to be quite an interesting video, so I want you to watch right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Alright, so I just want to emphasize that the process I'm about to show in this video is only compatible, or it's only going to work on Android TV, TV box or a Google TV. In total, any TV that has an Android operating system, the process I'm going to show in this video is going to work. If you have a smart TV, this might not necessarily work for you. That's it, I just want to make mention of that before going. So for this video, I am using my Android TV box. As you can see on the screen here, I'm currently screen recording and I'm using my mouse to navigate it. So I recently realized that I could use my mouse to navigate on my Android TV box instead of my remote. I could still use my remote, but I believe the remote is quite more difficult to use than a mouse. So if you have a TV box or an Android TV, you can get a USB cabled wire mouse and you'll be able to navigate your TV box or your Android TV with it. So I'm using the slim TV box to do this video, and I've been using this box for a while. If you want to get your same box like this, you can check the comment section of this video. Sorry, the description of this video. I've attached a link there that will help you get this TV box, this exact TV box that I'm using. But if you don't want it, you can get yours anywhere else. So that's it, let's go ahead. So as I said, I want to show you how to find and install any streaming application to your Android TV device. Alright, that's it. The very first thing you need to do is to install the downloader application to your Android TV box or Google TV. As I said, this is only going to work on Android TV devices. So to install downloader is very simple. What you have to do is go back to your browser. I am using the Google browser. That's what I prefer. So I'll go back to my Google browser over here and I'm going to type in the downloader application. So it's simple. I could just use the suggestion over here, but for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and type. So go ahead and type in downloader. It's simple and easy. As you can see, if you've been watching my videos before, you realize I used to use my remote to do this, but now I'm using a mouse, and it's quite very simple because I could just navigate with a cursor just like on a laptop or a PC device. So this is a download application. Once getting the suggestion, all you could do just click on search and you get the application. Now the reason why I'm using downloader is because what I'm about to show you is going to be needing a downloader code. That's why we're installing the downloader. And this process over here I'm using, as I explained earlier, is only going to work on an Android device. So on any Android device like a TV box, Android TV or Google TV, if you search downloader like this, you'll be able to install it to your device without any problem. Like for instance, I could just click over here and it's going to bring me to this web page of the Google browser or Google Play Store. I could simply install downloader. Just ignore this mobile interface here. As long as your device is running on an Android operating system, you'll be able to install, and that's why I emphasized at the beginning that this is only compatible with Android TV devices. So once you're here, what you need to do, just click on install, and the download application is going to install to your Android TV. So it takes just a couple of seconds. Once it's done installing, what you could do is just simply open it from here, or you could just return home and open it from your menu. So I'll choose the latter. So for instance, once I return home, I come back here, I come over here to my app store. So you can see the download application is now here. So I'll go ahead and launch downloader and I click on OK. So on certain devices or when on your Android TV, you might need to grant permission to the application before you use it. But my own device doesn't need any permission, so it just depends on your device. If your device needs permission, you can go ahead and grant it in your device settings, not downloader settings, to device settings. But I believe this also has that, but this doesn't have. But go to your device settings and you can grant permission for downloader. Now the way downloader works is that you need to type in the code over here and then you launch it and it's going to bring it to a web page or an application. So let me repeat what we're here for. I want to show you how to find any streaming application. That means that you're looking for a streaming application, you go and find it in this process I'm about to show you. So what you have to do, over here, type in this code is my Fluoride downloader code 72609. As I type in this code, just go ahead and launch. As a launch, it's going to bring you to a link tree of app stores called All Stores, and this is created by someone called Joe Maxwell. So I am not the creator or the owner of this page, but I just create videos on YouTube talking about them. So as you come over here, there are a couple of app stores here. I think about 10 or 12 of them with different types of applications that you could check out on your Android TV or TV box or Google TV. Anyway, that's not what we're interested in. Alright, so the one we're interested in is this first option. It says a thematic type app. Can read it out as you come over here. So I'm interested in this first option, so click on it and it's going to bring you to this page over here, this Fire TL. Now let me explain how this works. In this website, if you're looking for any application, you can just go ahead and search for it. Alright, so I said that in this video I want to show you how to find any streaming application. So the only thing or the only problem you need to have a solution for in this video is that you need to know the streaming application that you are looking for. So for instance, if you go over here without knowing the application you're looking for, you might not be able to find it. So you need to know the application that you're looking for. So it could be literally any application. It could be some applications that I cannot even show on my YouTube channel. So you need to have an application in mind that you're looking for. So let's say for instance, I'm looking for Netflix. I just go over here and type in Netflix. I'm not using that as an example. Please, you can type in any application that you want. So I go over here and I type in Netflix. So that is it. I return, I see this Netflix, and I can go ahead and just search. So as I search, this is what is going to happen. I'm going to get downloader codes to install the Netflix application to my Android TV. As you can see, these are different downloader codes to Netflix. So I can hide older than 80 or I can hide older than 60. So as I said, there are going to be lots of applications. Just the same way I have searched the Netflix application over here, you can search any other application. It says 15. There are 15 active codes found. So what I always advise you to do, look at the date was last checked. So the first one here was last checked on the 26th, or sorry, 2026. So this year, for this just literally on Sunday. So I'm doing this video on Tuesday, so it's like 2 days ago. So as you go over here, you see an application and you get a code. So what you can do, you can copy this code and go back to downloader and search for it, or you can just simply click on download now and the application is going to start downloading to your Fire or to your Android TV from here. Alright, so this is how you get any application that you want from this code or this tool. So as I said, the only thing you need to do is that you need to have an application in mind that you're looking for. So it could be any streaming application that you're looking for. Just go over here, type it in this tool over here. Once you're done, you search it and you're going to see downloader codes you can use to install it. You can either copy the downloader code and return home and type it in the downloader box, or you can just simply click downloader code. But please pay attention to when it was lastly updated. And that's it about this video.